How much RAM do you need for video editing? The answer is 8 GB if you're doing less than this, 16 if you are going for 4K with 8 bits, 32 if you do heavy loads with background projects, and 64 if you want to handle 4K footage in 10 bits or more. And I will also show you the best free video editor that TikTokers use. It has anything and it's completely free, from text to speech and lots of amazing features. So stick around and use the link below to find out more about this. And at the end of the video, a new playlist will show up with all the amazing free tutorials that I created for this. You can create effects, auto captions and much more.